Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs in UAE. Let's see the working interview and other available vacancies on today. Let's see the working interview conducting on 1st June, timing 9 a.m. onwards at Opron Middle East, Dubai. Vacancies are AC technician, electrician, plumber, multi-technician, civil technician for painter, mason, carpenter, chiller technician and kitchen technician. Interview location is at R260 Bania Square Building, M floor near Banias Metro Station. Contact number is 056 411 7951. Other number is 050 389 3057. Next working interview is on 1st June, timing 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Farnak Services LLC, Dubai. The vacancy is for office boys and office girls. Requirements are 3 years of UAE experience in same role. Interview location is at Farnak Head Office, Farnak Building, behind Al Khail Mall, Al Quoz, Dubai. Next working interview is on 1st June, timing 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. at Magnum Security, Dubai. The vacancy is for pool and beach lifeguard. Requirement is certified with pool or beach lifeguard. Interview location is at office number 22 to 23, M floor, entrance C, the Curve Building, Al Quoz 3, Dubai. Next working interview is on 1st June, timing 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Life Pharmacy, Abu Dhabi. The vacancy is for delivery driver. Interview location is at Life Pharmacy, shop number 1, Banias Tower, in Electra Street, Khaldia area, Abu Dhabi. Next working interview is on 2nd June, timing 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. at Dusman Gulf, Abu Dhabi. The vacancy is for male cleaner. Interview location is at Dusman Gulf LLC, office number 303 and 304, 3rd floor, Al Ghazna Tower, Najda Street, Abu Dhabi. Next working interview is on 2nd June, timing 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Rajales, Abu Dhabi. The vacancy is for senior project manager, senior project control engineers, project control engineer, and project engineer. Engineers and designers in process, mechanical, piping and pipeline, electrical, instrumentation and telecom, civil and structure, smart plant administrator, and material and corrosion. Interview location is at 13th floor, Millennium Tower, on Starbucks Building, Hamdan Street, Abu Dhabi. If you cannot attend the interview on time, send your resume by email to recruitment@regiles.ae. Next working interview is on 2nd June, timing 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Dry Docks, Dubai. The vacancies were foreman plater fabricator, foreman welder, senior foreman plater, foreman pipe, foreman for mechanical, foreman for carpenter, foreman sheet metal fab, welder, welder in GTAW and SMAW, plater fabricator, pipe fitter, mechanical fitter, maintenance electrician, hydraulic fitter, auto electrician, senior foreman for piping, mechatronic technician, senior foreman for duct fabrication, senior foreman for carpentry, preparator for ducting and carpentry, supervisor for pipe, work preparator for structural or piping, supervisor for welding, supervisor for structure, sheet metal fabricator, carpenter and mechanics, duct fabricator, mechanical fitter, material coordinator, senior foreman for welder, and tireman. Interview location is at Dry Docks World, Dubai. Junior staff accommodation on gate number G between Port Rashid Terminal and Union House, Jumeirah Road, Dubai. Next working interview is on 5th June, timing 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Pioneer Ready Mix. The vacancies are transit mixer drivers, concrete pump operator, concrete pump drivers, concrete lab technician, concrete batching plant operators, shovel operator, bus driver, shipping staff, and helpers. Interview location is at Pioneer Ready Mix at Musafa M35. Send your resume by email to career@rmc@gmail.com. Other email ID is shamim@prm.a. Next working interview is on 14th June, timing 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Gulfar Engineering and Contracting. If you are looking engineering job, please check the vacancies because I cannot read one by one. If I start reading, it will take almost 1 hour this video. Okay, the vacancies are lead piping engineer in mechanical graduate, 12-year experience is required. Senior stress piping engineer, 10 years experience is required. Lead piping designer, piping draftsman, junior piping engineers, lead civil engineer, lead civil structural engineer, lead civil designer, civil draftsman, junior civil engineer, lead mechanical engineer, lead pipeline engineer, senior stress pipeline engineer, lead pipeline designer, pipeline draftsman, junior pipeline engineer, lead instrumentation and commissioning engineer, SPI instrumentation and commissioning admin, junior instrumentation and commissioning engineer, instrumentation and commissioning designer, instrumentation and commissioning draftsman, lead electrical engineer, junior electrical engineer, electrical draftsman, lead technical safety engineer, lead material engineer, lead process engineer, junior process engineer, general expenditure in mechanical engineer, senior planning and control engineer, assistant plan and equipment manager. Interview location is at Lair Royal Meridian, Abu Dhabi. Next vacancy is at Al Ansari Exchange, Dubai. The vacancy is for corporate relationship executive for sales. Requirement is minimum 2 years of sales experience in UAE. Send your resume by email to careers@alansari.ae. Next vacancy is at Pivot Engineering and General Contracting, Abu Dhabi. The vacancies are project technical manager, technical coordinator, BIM manager, planning engineers, senior planning engineer. You can apply through online www.pivot.ae. Next vacancy is at Sharjah American International School. Vacancies are social worker, SEN teacher, Arabic social studies teacher, KG coordinator, KG teacher, elementary homeroom teacher, chemistry teacher, maths teacher, English teacher, career guidance counselor, elementary MS or HS teacher. Send your resume by email to hrrecruitment@saisuaq.com. Next vacancy is at Abu Dhabi Aviation. The vacancy is for supply chain manager and head of stores. Requirement is minimum 10 years of experience is required for above position. Send your resume by email to careers@ada.de. Next vacancy is at Binyabad Driving Institute. The vacancies are car cleaner, driver for light and heavy bus, automotive electrical technician for heavy vehicle, customer service representative, office boy, and barista waiter cum cashier. Send your resume by email to careers@binyabar.com. Next vacancy is at Pace Group UAE. The vacancy is for graphic designer. Minimum 2 year experience is required. Send your resume by email to hr@paceeducation.com. Next vacancy is at Air Arabia UAE. The vacancies are senior accountant for revenue, emergency response planning manager, technical services engineer in aircraft systems, safety officer, material planning officer, technical procurement officer, repairs controller, structure and composite technician, structure and composite engineer, technical services engineer for propulsion, flight operations auditor, B1 technician, shift manager for base maintenance, customer relations executive, ground support equipment assistant, MCC manager, cabin technician, sales executive for Fly Jinnah Dubai in Urdu speaker, internal auditor, e-business specialist, sales manager for Dubai, IT analyst in junior. You can apply through online careers.airarabia.com. Next vacancy is at MAB Facilities Management, Dubai. The vacancy is for security management. Requirement is 8 to 10 year experience in security management with SARA certificate and Arabic speaker. Send your resume by email to rec.hr@mab.ae. Next vacancy is at Astra Engineering and Construction. The vacancy is for mechanical estimation engineer. The code is RECRT 00244. The requirement is 3 to 5 year experience in pipeline works in oil and gas. The other vacancy is civil estimation engineer. Code is 00245. 3 to 5 year experience in oil and gas is required. Next is civil engineer. Code number is 00246. 7 years of experience in oil and gas industry is required. Send your resume by email to hr@astraenc.com. Next vacancy is at Landmark Auto Spare Parts UAE. The vacancies are drivers and general helper. Send your resume by email to admin@landmarkautos.com. Next vacancy is at Tawil Typing and Studio, Abu Dhabi. The vacancy is for typist. Minimum 2 year Abu Dhabi experience in labor, immigration and court is required. Send your resume by email to emirates@addei@gmail.com. Next vacancy is at Tajil Global Document Clearing UAE. The vacancy is for marketing executive and typist and sales executive. Minimum 2 year experience is required for above position. Send your resume by email to hr@tajil.com. Next vacancy is at Almara in UAE. The vacancies are receptionist, graphic designer cum video editor, social media strategy cum content writer. Send your resume by email to hr@gulfbusinesscenter.com. Next vacancy is at AM Supermarket. The vacancies are cashier, shelf boy, sales attendant, pusher, floor supervisors and fish selling. Send your resume by email to amsupermarket89@gmail.com. Next vacancy is at Credence High School, Dubai. The vacancies are activity coordinator, special educator, dance teacher, art teacher, teaching assistant, maths teacher and English teacher. Send your resume by email to careers@credencehighschool.com. Next vacancies are First Emirates Computer and Technical Services. Vacancies are Sales Executive, Fiber Optic Technician, Technician with Driving License, Telecaller or Admin Assistant as female. Send your resume by email to projects at firstemirate.a. Next vacancies at Berkeley, Abu Dhabi. The vacancies are concierge, team leader, cleaner or BMU cleaners, and housekeeping attendant. Send your resume by email to careers@berkeleyuae.com. Next vacancy is at MK UAE. The vacancy is for MEP Procurement Officer. Send your resume by email to info@mk.ae. Next vacancy is at Star Dreamline Travels Abu Dhabi. The vacancy is for Senior Accountant. Minimum 5-year experience is required. Send your resume by email to hrdreamsline@gmail.com. Next vacancy is at Sharaf Retail Dubai. The vacancy is for buyer for water sports, sales expert for cycling, sales specialist for cycling, and finance business partner. You can apply through online careers.sharafretail.com. Next vacancy is at Innova Dubai. The vacancies are laundry attendant, laundry supervisor, and housekeeping supervisor. Minimum 2 to 3 year experience as supervisor in facility management is required. Send your resume by email to recruitment@innova-me.com. Next vacancy is at Emirates Grand Hotel Dubai. The vacancy is for interior designer. Experience in hotel industry is required. Send your resume by email to careers@emiratesgrandhotel.com. Next vacancy is at DHL Group UAE. The vacancies are IT Service Support Supervisor, Territory Manager in Abu Dhabi, Head of Legal Sales MENAT, Cash Management or Data Analyst Specialist, Business Development Director, Contract Risk and Compliance Manager, Senior Business Development Manager, Compensation and Benefits Specialist, Senior Business Development Manager, Consultancy and Development Manager, Training and Development Specialist for future opportunity. You can apply through online careers.dhl.com. Next vacancy is at Caravan Electrical and Mechanical Works LLC UAE. The vacancy is for Site Electrical Engineer. 2 to 5 year experience in MEP construction or fit out works is required, even though bachelor's degree in electrical engineer is required as well. Next is Senior Electrical Engineer. 5 to 10 year experience in MEP construction or fit out works is required, even though bachelor's degree in electrical engineer as well. Send your resume by email to careers@caravanmep.com. Next vacancy is at Orange Wheels Abu Dhabi. The vacancies are party coordinator, receptionist, and play area attendant. Experience in entertainment and leisure industry. Send your resume by email to careers@orangewheels.com. Next vacancy is at Anatomy Rehab in UAE. The vacancies are patient coordinator and receptionist. Send your resume by email to kelly@anatomyrehab.a. Next vacancy is at Unitrust Insurance Brokers. The vacancy is for admin executive. Send your resume by email to career@unitrustib.com. Next vacancy at Unitech General Contracting Dubai. The vacancies are Civil Project Engineer, Civil Site Engineer, Receptionist, Storekeeper, Civil QAQC Engineer, and Document Controller. Send your resume by email to hr@unitechuae.com. Next vacancy is at the Act Hotel UAE. The vacancies are sous chef, F&B supervisor, assistant F&B manager, sales executive for MICE, sales executive for corporate. Send your resume by email to hrm@theacthotel.com. Next vacancy in Dubai, the vacancy is for accountant. Salary will be 6,000 to 7,000 dirham. Send your resume by email to hr@chriscooper.com. Next vacancy in UAE is for videographer or photographer editor. Send your resume by email to mutinastudio@gmail.com. Next vacancy in UAE is for florist. Send your resume by email to info@nasq.ae. Other email ID is careers.cc@central-hotels.com. Next vacancy in Dubai is for AC technician. Minimum 2-year experience is required. WhatsApp your CV to 055-521-6743. Next vacancy is at Sports Manufacturing Company in Umm Quwain. The vacancy is for sales staff. WhatsApp your CV to 050-847-5235. Next vacancy is at Building Material Company in Ajman. The vacancy is for female admin cum accountant. WhatsApp your CV to 050-415-3343. Thanks for watching my channel, Jobs in UAE. If you like this channel, please subscribe and share this video to your friends and relatives.